Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our GCSE Maths exam preparation, looking at a higher paper 3. Question here about algebra. We're going to show that 6x cubed over 9x squared minus 144 divided by 2x to the 4 all over 3x minus 4 can be written in this form of 1 over x times x plus r, where r is an integer. Okay, so before I start, I want to try and think about what I need to do. I'm going to have to do a lot of cancelling. So I'm going to look for some factors, to think about difference of two squares, and any other factorising I can do. Straight away I can see that is a difference of two squares, and there's some x's and some x minus 4's that I might want to turn into factors. But it's also fractions, algebraic fractions. So I'm going to use the tip and times rule there, leaving this first term exactly like it was, turning that to multiplication, inverting the second term, and writing like that. And already I've got some terms I can cancel. There's 1, 2 there, there's 3 2's there, there's x to the power 4 there, x to the power 3 there, so I can leave that like that. And I'm going to write it one step again before I do anything else, otherwise it's going to start to get quite messy. So leaving that, the only thing I've left over there is a 3. Got a 3 times x to the minus 4 all over x there on its own, because I've cancelled the 2. Now, I'm going to look at my difference of two squares there. 3 over 9 square rooted is 3x, 144 is 12. Write that bracket again, but change the sign. I don't quite have something that's going to cancel that, but I'm hoping that out of there I'll be able to get the 4 from the 12. Okay, I can't cancel anything at this stage because the 3 and the 3 are both in the numerator, but I can see that if I take a 3 out of that, I'll be left with x minus 4, leaving that on its own for now. And hopefully I can see or show you that that x minus 4 and that x minus 4 will cancel, that 3 and that 3 will cancel. So I'll write it one extra step there. Don't need to write all these steps. Usually it's just to show what's happening. Okay, we're nearly there. If we think about what we need to get to, we've got x, we've got something over in a bracket. I need to cancel that 3, and there is a 3 in that denominator there as well. So if I factorize that, so again a lot of factorizing those 3. Now I have 1 over x times x plus 4. In this case, r is 4. So I have managed to get it into the required form. Maybe I've taken a little bit over 3. Maybe you don't need this many steps, but every time I did some cancelling, it got a bit messy. So I wrote in the extra steps. So we had to do a lot of cancelling, a lot of factorising, difference of two squares, and just breaking up these brackets so we could take the 3 out and then cancel the 2 pairs of 3's. Okay, and that's only worth 3 marks. It's a lot of work, but hopefully we've followed all that. Do pause as you watch the video, go over algebraic fractions or difference of two squares as you need to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and good luck for your exams.